unlocking the meaning of replacing the reed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we have a special topic that might sound a bit unusual at first: replacing the reed. Now, you might be wondering what this phrase means and how it's relevant to your English learning journey. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression and explore its significance. Before we dive into the meaning, let's break down the phrase, replacing the reed. At first glance, this might seem like a simple statement about changing a part of something. However, to fully understand it, we need to look at the context where it's often used. The term reed is commonly associated with musical instruments, like clarinets or saxophones, which use a thin piece of wood called a reed to produce sound. When the reed gets worn out or damaged, it needs to be replaced to ensure the instrument produces the best sound quality. Metaphorically speaking, replacing the reed can imply making necessary changes or adjustments in other areas of life or work to improve outcomes or efficiency. It's about recognizing when something is no longer serving its purpose and taking action to replace or update it. You might be wondering, how does replacing the reed relate to learning English? The answer lies in the metaphorical application of the phrase. Just as a musician replaces a worn-out reed to improve the sound of their instrument, language learners must continually assess and refine their learning strategies, resources, and habits. 1. Evaluating learning methods. Just as a musician might notice a change in sound quality, learners should regularly evaluate their progress and the effectiveness of their study methods. If a particular approach isn't working, it might be time to replace the reed and try something new. 2. Adapting to challenges. Learning a language is full of challenges, from mastering complex grammar to acquiring a native-like accent. When faced with obstacles, the idea of replacing the reed reminds us to adapt our strategies rather than give up. 3. Embracing change for improvement. Just as a new reed can breathe new life into a musical performance, embracing new learning tools or resources can significantly enhance your language skills. Now that we understand the meaning and relevance of replacing the reed in language learning, let's discuss some practical ways you can apply this concept to your journey. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from teachers or native speakers can help you identify which reeds need replacing in your language learning instrument. Experiment with different methods. Don't be afraid to try new study techniques, apps, or courses. What works for one learner might not work for another. Stay updated. Language is dynamic, and learning methods evolve. Keep an eye out for the latest tools and resources that can make learning more effective and enjoyable. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing phrase, replacing the reed, and inspired you to think about how you can apply this concept to your English learning journey. Remember, improvement is all about recognizing when something isn't working and having the courage to make the necessary changes. Keep experimenting, adapting, and growing, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.